For cylindrical parts, you will need to make sure that you communicate the length for a cylinder as well as the diameter of a cylinder. So when you look at this particular part, you will notice that it has several cylinders. So we can kind of look at this and see that it has 4, 5, 6 different cylinders in this one part. So for the cylinders that are at the ends of this part, it's easy to communicate the diameter of it as well as the length. In this example, we'll talk about how to create what are called removed sections. And this way we can communicate the diameters of certain sections of the cylinder in what is called a removed section. So you will notice that these particular sections correspond with the cutting plane line that is going through each of the cylindrical features of the part. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create sections or create a section in this front view. So to create a section view in you will go to the create section of the ribbon and go to the one that says section view. It will prompt you on the cursor to select parent view, which we're going to select this front view as the parent view. And now what we're going to do is put in the cutting plane line, which we will click and then click at this point. Click on the check. And what it will do is create the section. And right now, the way this section is aligned, it's lined up with or has a relationship with this parent view. So if we were just creating a regular section and going to place this in line with the view, this will be fine. But what we want to do in this instance is we actually want this to be separated out from or broken from the parent view or the front view. So if you kind of read what's on the attached to the cursor, the way you break this alignment is to press your shift key. So if you hit the shift key on your keyboard, that will allow you to pull this section view out, and I'm going to just place it anywhere on the screen. I'll just click here. But you want to make sure that you put this as close as possible to the cutting plane line that indicates the section. So I'm just going to click here, and in the drawing view dialog box, click on OK, and this will create the section. The point of doing this is so you can add the diameter to this section. So a couple of ways that this could be done. In this particular situation, I need to find out what the diameter of that cylinder is, so I can go here and go to edit sketch. So if I look at the dimensions here, the dimension that's associated with that particular section of the part is 0.625. So if you go to, in this case, since I know threads are added to this, I can go to the thread notes and click on the edge of this and place that dimension. Right now, it's only giving me the information about the threads, which are 8 ACME. If I double click on that dimension and put the cursor at the beginning, I want to put in the diameter symbol and then type in 0.625 for the diameter and click close. That'll allow me to edit that dimension so I can put that information in. That same process will need to be used in order to create a section of this cylinder and for this cylinder here, since these are different diameters.